Hello everyone, welcome to Social Media Ministries. My name is Spencer Kaufman. We have an exciting announcement that we have partnered with another organization. It is called Shopping Gives. This one is specifically for those of you who have businesses or websites or blogs or anything online or in store where you have customers or you have people traffic to your website, etc. You can partner with Shopping Gives to support social media ministries. So what is it? Well, this Shopping Gives is a suite or like a plugin or a script or a variety of different things, a platform that you can add to either your store, whether it's a brick and mortar store, you can add their payment processing or connect to their system with your processing, and then they'll donate to social media ministries, or you can do it online on your website with your checkout page or action-based items, and we'll get into that a little bit more. But basically, if you're a business or you are an influencer or a blogger or something like that, take a look at Shopping Gives and see if it's something that you want to integrate on your website or in your store to help support social media ministries. Now, what can you do? Well, you can either have a roundup donation put on like a checkout page. So if somebody is spending $38, they'll round it up $2 and the customer would pay that $2 and donate to social media ministries. They have add-on donations as well. So like if they spend whatever, they can choose to add an additional whatever, 1, 5, 10, 50 to donate to social media ministries. They pay for that. They're also in store, like where you would choose, hey, for this month, 10% of our purchases, 10% of our sales will go to social media ministries. That would be the business covers that. The customers do not pay for any of the donations, but at the end of the month or the week or whatever, the business would decide, and then the business would donate to social media ministries a percentage. All of this, of course, is integrated through Shopping Gives, so it goes through Shopping Gives, and then they would process the donation to social media ministries. There are also some cool action-based integrations. So if you are a blogger or an influencer, or if you're a store, an online website, and you want people to share a post, and for every post, every time it's shared, you want to give 5 cents to social media ministries, or whatever amount. Or if you want someone to sign up to your newsletter, for every newsletter sign up, we will donate $1 to social media ministries. You can do these action-based things that will trigger a donation from that business or from that website to social media ministries. In addition, there are targeting things. So like you can choose that anytime this is targeted for whatever it may be, they watch this video, or so it's similar to action. You can have this targeting for these certain customers. When they do this, once they get to our website, if they go here, or if we bring them here, or we get them to buy this, or whatever the cause and effect relationship is, their software can integrate with your site. You can define the parameters, and when they're met, you can choose how much you want to donate, and again, it'll go through Shopping Gives. They'll give it to social media ministries. They also have some cool things, like if you want to say, whatever app on your phone, every mile you drive will donate 10 cents. Cool stuff like that. Every step you take, or if you hit 100 steps in a day or 1,000 steps in a day, will donate so much. So it's a lot of cool integrations that companies or business owners or blog owners or website owners can integrate into their website to engage their customers or their viewers to start doing more on their website, so that their owner, their business owner, or would then donate to support a charity. And if you run a website or a blog, you know that if you can engage your customers more, it's good for you and it's good for the customer, and giving your customer an incentive that shows that you're supporting a charity is also another good feature. So check out Shopping Gives. You can do so in the link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video, and we will do what we can to help you out. Thank you, and God bless.